Hey everyone, welcome back, y'all. We are back again. And today we're talking about turkeys. So we're kind of going back in time to November and December of 2024. I was sick, the kids were sick, the flu was just rampant in the house, and I didn't go out and was not able to get into all the really good deals for Thanksgiving and Christmas. I didn't get stocked up on our instant mashed potatoes. I did not get stocked up on our fresh yams, aka sweet potatoes, which I love to get stocked up on during November and December because I love to cook those, peel off the peeling on the outside and scoop out the goodness on the inside and put that away for my chihuahuas because I love homemade cooked sweet potatoes. And I freeze those and it does wonderful. During Thanksgiving and Christmas, they're super cheap. But unfortunately, we didn't get involved in that either. I missed out on stuffing, ham. Y'all, I missed out on all of it because we were so sick. My mom came through for me. And so we're dashing back in time to November and December. We don't have one turkey here. We don't have two turkeys here. We've got three. We've got four. We've got five. And we got this big guy, number 6. I have approximately 120 pounds worth of turkey. Y'all, my mom came through and she got us all these turkeys between November and December. Now, I do have one box missing. It's MIA, but it is here in the house because I did purchase it. We've got 3 boxes of the turkey bags. I do not have a roasting pan anymore. I used to have a huge roaster that would take this 25-pound turkey. Unfortunately, I don't have one anymore. It's on my list to get a new one, and I will get a new one. But for right now, I do have a pan that's large enough to put in my oven, and we do have the turkey bags. What I'm going to do with all 6 of these turkeys. And now we are also going to be talking today about what happens if you miss these type of sales and how are you going to continue stocking when you miss sales like this, especially during the holidays. All these turkeys are going back in the freezer. I just wanted to show you they're rock hard. We're keeping Mr. Bones out. I'm calling him Mr. Bones because that's all that's going to be left after we cook this turkey. I'm going to thaw this turkey out over the next couple of days. We're going to cook it, and I'm going to pull all the meat off. Of course, my kids are going to have turkey because in this house, we don't have holiday meals during holidays. We will eat pumpkin pie year-round. We will have hot cocoa in the summertime. There's no such thing as Crocktober in my house. Our crock pots are out in full force at all times, including our Instapots as well. All right, y'all. I have 3 crock pots and 3 Instapots. I have a 2-quart, a 6-quart, and an 8-quart crock pot. I have a 3-quart, 6-quart, and 12-quart Instapots. So those are always out in full force. We will literally grill in the snow. We will literally eat turkey all year round too. So I am going to pull all the meat off this turkey. I'm going to save the bones, and I'm going to make bone broth. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do that for every one of these turkeys. Why? Because this is taking up some prime real estate in all 4 of my deep freezers, y'all. It's like piled up in there. So I'm going to cook 1 turkey every couple of days. It's going to be a 2-week process or so to get this done. But I'm going to pull all the meat off. I'm going to repackage it and put it back into my freezer where we can pull it out and have shredded turkey with any meal. We can do shredded turkey over a piece of bread and put some brown gravy on it, which is one of Jessie's favorite, an hot, open-faced turkey sandwich with mashed potatoes and green beans. That's one of her favorites. We can do turkey stew. So instead of using beef stew, because beef is really expensive and stew meat's not cheap, we switch it out and we put turkey in it, and it's fantastic. I will be making that this week, and I will show you the process on how we do it. Super easy, super cheap, affordable meals. Okay, y'all? So that's what we plan to do with all these turkeys. I spent nothing. Mom went in and she grabbed them. I think one of these, I believe this one might have been $7. I had a couple of them that were only like $6 to $8 because it was after the holiday. They were still in stock and the price just went plummeting down. Now here's the deal. Because I did not get into the situation where I was able to go out and purchase the turkey stuffing that I wanted to get or the instant mashed potatoes I wanted to stock up on, y'all, I fall in with the rest of those who have to pay full price for it. Or if it goes on sale, you bet your butt I'm going to go grab it. I'm going to try to buy my instant potatoes in bulk at Sam's Club. I believe they got a 6-pound box, and that's when I'm going to start stocking up on my instant potatoes. My stuffing, I get it at Walmart anyways. It's 97 cents a box. I'm just stuck paying the 97 cents a box. And I'll be real honest, our stuffing didn't go on sale this year. I did look at it in November and December from Walmart, and it was still 97 cents a box. I did not check anywhere else. I could have, but I did not. So we do have some stuffing already pre-stocked, but I don't have enough because, y'all, if I cook turkey or I cook chicken, especially fried chicken, and there's no stuffing beside it, it's a crime in my house. My kids call me out on it. So stuffing is something we do year round. We don't just do holiday foods at a particular time. We do them year round. I am known for drinking hot cocoa in the summertime. My kids will eat Crocktober meals, quote unquote Crocktober, because that's when you're supposed to pull out your crock pot. Y'all, there are so many meals you can make in the summer, the winter, the fall, and the spring with a crock pot. And it keeps your house from overheating during the spring and summer times, remember. So, with that being said, this is what we have. We have these 2 boxes. I've got the third one. Like I said, I think it's around here somewhere, running around. But we do have these cooking bags because we're going to be cooking it in my flat top stove in the oven. My mom got this oven for me. My other oven was giving out and it was very faulty. And I think it was becoming a fire hazard. And the oven wasn't working properly. My mom was able to get me a refurnished flat top stove. Absolutely love it. And the oven works amazing. It works brand new. Thank you, Mom. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the turkeys because she went out and got all these for me. So that's what we plan to do over the next week and a half, 2 weeks, is we're cooking 100+ pounds of turkey. We are shredding it. We are using the bones to make bone broth, turkey bone broth. I will also use some of that broth to turn it into homemade turkey gravy. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so good. So that is what we're going to do. We're also going to shred some of these turkeys down and we will make turkey wraps, y'all, with them, okay? Instead of having chicken wraps, you can have turkey wraps too. Anything you can do chicken with, you can do turkey with because it's very versatile. So these are what we have. This is what's going to happen. It's going to give me some space in my freezer. Moving forward, I just know if I am sick, I still need to get up. I need to go out and I need to hit these sales because I have lost out on so many things with sales. Now, I will have a video coming up to show you a little bit about how to prep on a budget, especially if your budget is tight. Tight. Y'all, we're still dealing with a lot of inflation, double-digit inflations, especially at the grocery store. Y'all seen it. I've seen it. We all paid for it when we checked out at the grocery store. Even if you're paying online and having your groceries delivered, you're still paying the price. All right, y'all. So I'm going to show you how I am going to break it down, make it a little bit more easy and manageable for those who need a prepping schedule, but on a super tight budget. Because I have a scenario coming up for you that's going to show you how to do that. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. We'll catch you in the next prepping video. Until then, Without Limits is out.